Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the number of displayed lines of your collapsible text or text boxes you add to your Wix websites in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the page of your website on Wix that features that collapsible text. I added this collapsible text box for the sake of this tutorial. Now for this method you will need to access the collapsible text boxes layout settings. As you can see, that example text box here features or shows or displays 3 lines, and my website visitors in the future, for example, may gain access to the entirety of the text by clicking into read more, show more, and export, or whatever custom text you add to that collapsible text box. So if you'd like to change that and show only 1 line, for example, or more, 4 or 5 lines of that collapsible text, you will need to right-click into the text box, select Layout, and here what you want to do is select Collapsed, not Show All, because Show All would actually convert the collapsible text into a fully displayed or shown text box like we see here in that example. Just below you will see that feature we just talked about, number of lines displayed, which is currently 3, but you can customize that and go to 4 or 5. Of course, you will need to adjust also the size of the text box. If the text box is only that, features only that height and width here, you will need to change that as well. So let me go with, for example, only 1 line or 2 lines, and it would look like this. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.